WPC 2015 Summer Race. Release point Cabanatuan, release time 7 o'clock. Go! WPC Fancier, see you in the next toss. San Jose, Nueva Ecija. First lap na po natin ang sprint. Good luck!